In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to download and install our Java development kit that's necessary when we want to create Android applications. No, not only is this necessary for creating Android application, but it's also necessary for our interactive development environment, Android Studio, that helps us in creating our Android applications. So bottom line, we really need the JDK or Java Development Kit. So the first thing we need to do is find our way to this page here. And probably the hardest way to get to this page is going to this link here, or rather looking at this link here and typing this all into your web browser. Right, that's actually pretty complex. It is probably going to take a lot of time. So I'm going to show you an easier way to get here. So first way, probably the hardest way, is looking at this link at the top left, which I will zoom in and show you guys. The second way is follow my lead here. So the first thing is you are going to want to go to Google and then you're going to type in JDK. From there, you click on the first link and then you're going to click on this Java download, and that will bring you to this page. Right, so I think that's probably a little bit more of a process, but it's not less lengthy in my opinion. So I would recommend that way. Great. So once you've arrived at this page, what I want you to do is, I'm going to zoom in here. So you call a C. I want you to click on this accept license agreement, and once you do that, it should say, thank you for accepting blah blah blah. Right, so once it shows this, that means that you clicked on that accept. From there are the products and file description. I want you to find your operating system. So I have a 32-bit Windows operating system. So my operating system would be right here. Right, yours might be different. Once you've found your operating system, click on the link to the right. Once you do that, you should notice that a download should appear on the bottom left in most browsers. Right, so once this is downloading and finished, you are just going to want to go ahead and go through your operating systems. Installation process, so that you have this installed. So believe it or not, it's just that simple. Right, if you have a Mac, I'll probably over that one real quick because I know a lot of other people, might have a Mac. That's right here. You're gonna want to click on this damaged file or DMG, file to the right here. So if you have a Mac, click here. If you have a 32-bit Windows machine, click here. If you have a 64-bit Windows machine, click here. Right to those are probably the top 3. Great. So once this is finished downloading, you're going to want to click here and then just follow your operating system's installation process. Get that all installed, and then we'll be able to start creating our Android applications. Great guys, so that's going to do it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.